Hey everyone, today I'm back with another quick hair transformation. So for this, I'm going to be using a unit from RPG Show. Here it is right here. It's this straight red, I like to call it a cherry cola colored lace wig. And I'll show you the easy way I apply it and style it with no glue, no sewing, or anything like that to get a natural looking result. First things first, I'm putting on a nude stocking cap and I'm going to push that back a little bit so my natural hairline is visible. Then put on the wig. I'm lining up the start of it right behind my hairline. And I'm doing a side part today, so I'm going to position it and get the part exactly where I want it and secure it using the inside combs. Now here you can see the top looks a little puffy and wiggy, and we definitely do not want that. So I'm taking some water in a spray bottle and spritzing it all over the top. Then go in with a blow dryer and a brush to flatten the hair. Once flat, it looks a heck of a lot better. And now I'm going to throw some curls in it. So I'm brushing it out to get out any tangles. Then take hair in about 1-inch sections and wrap it around a small curling wand. I'm holding a little bit of the ends out from the wand because for this style, I want the very bottom to be straight. And I'm going to hold that for about 10 seconds, then release. And a little tip to get the perfect outcome with a nice flow when curling your hair is to make sure to curl all of each side in the same direction. For me, I always like to curl going towards the back because I just think it looks the best when the curls flow that way. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And once I've completed one side, of course, I have to do the same on the other. And now I'm going to fix the part. So here I have some foundation, and with a small brush, I'm dabbing that onto the part in the wig, and I'm extending that out to the edge of my hairline to camouflage the grids and also to get everything one color and look more cohesive. And then I'm going to blend that in with my finger. Next, I'm taking this edge tamer and applying a dab of it right at the edge of where the wig starts, and I'm going to brush some of the wig hair forward to cover up the line of demarcation so it flows right in with my natural hairline. And I'm also going to press that down, and this will help the wig to stay in place so I don't get any lifting. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my edges in shape, and then using a liner pencil, I'm going to fill in all the gaps. So I went back in with a slightly lighter concealer because I just felt like the part needed to be a tiny bit lighter so it could be more visible and just overall look more seamless. Then I filled it in with the pencil a little bit more because you guys know with this postpartum shedding, I needed some help. So yeah, and then smooth it all down. Then shape and fluff, and that's it. So I really like this hair. As you guys could probably tell, it's so easy to work with and to style it. The length is great, and I absolutely love the color. It's so pretty to me. I feel like it's not too little, it's not too much. It's the perfect red. And yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. All information and a link to this unit will be right down below in the description box. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you over on my next one. Bye.